The lack of adherence to international safety standards had given rise to concerns regarding the reliability and safety of elevators in Nigeria. Elevators have become a cornerstone of efficient building design, impacting both residential and commercial spaces. The Elevator and Escalator exhibition in Lagos is set to bring together over 80 exhibitors from around the world, including top manufacturers, engineers, and industry innovators in elevator and escalator technology, which is a historic convergence of the global lift industry.
And after you buy the complete lift or the modernization set, we also have our own program. Yeah, this program can make elevator or move more safe. Yeah. This is also like our new power lift. When we have the power bank and when people inside the cabin and when the power outage, then due to have the power bank and after the power outage, the lift can still run in 200 times.
Attendees say the exhibition paves way for opportunities to explore the newest advancements in lift systems, smart technologies, and sustainable transport solutions, which is a gateway to tapping into Africa's growing elevator and escalator market.
So many innovations, from the control panel to the door settings to even the elevator cabin materials. One round, process is here, so many other companies are here and they have spectacular products for everybody.
The organizers say the expo helps to connect potential clients, ensure business stays ahead in the competitive building, construction and lift markets of Nigeria.
We are here with 70 companies from Turkey, from China, from Germany, from India to answer the needed in construction and real estate sector. In Nigeria, construction and real estate sector continue to grow rapidly. That's why we are here with our exhibitors to answer the companies and the buyers who needs the elevator and escalator technologies.
Our expectation is that we can deepen the market. The Nigerian real estate market is growing vastly, even in the luxury sector. For private homes, people are exploring elevators and escalators, but we're talking about from the malls to the hospitals to the schools and all of that. And we see that there is a huge gap for technology that is available in the market, and this is a great platform to sort of push that message and connect the buyers and the manufacturers in a great way that we can have conversations about the technologies that we can push and the sort of solutions that we can also push for the Nigerian market. Because, believe it or not, sometimes the local solutions that are needed may not necessarily be available in other markets. But if we can bring the exhibitors and the buyers into one room and have them have a conversation, we believe that we can find ways to create solutions that are specific to this market and the industry.
Access 24's Daniel Tenemo reports that the exhibition attracts business leaders, property developers and policymakers from across Africa, and it features live products demonstrations and networking opportunities designed to offer insights into the future of vertical transportation in emerging markets.